Today I will be going over this freeze frame flash transition inside After Effects. I'm going to be putting you guys on some sauce. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe button down below. Join the Sacred Takes team. Majority of you watching aren't subscribed, so please guys, go hit the subscribe button right now. I'll wait. Go ahead. Don't forget to hit that like button so YouTube can continue to spread my video out to future content creators. With that being said, let's hop straight into After Effects. These will be the 3 clips we'll be working with today. We're going to be transitioning from this into this one. First thing we want to do is we want to go to our first clip we'll be transitioning into. We're going to Control D. That's going to duplicate it. We're going to right click, go up to time, freeze frame. Then we're going to head over here and change the color so we know that this is the freeze frame we'll be working with. I'm going to put that clip above the first one. Now what we want to do is we want to go 6 frames back. So we go here to the preview. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring that freeze frame over. Go to where the transition begins. Now we're going to cut the clip. Delete the rest, we won't need it. Now what we want to do is we want to mask out our subjects. So we're going to mask out this guy in the middle first. We're going to go ahead and grab our pen tool. We're going to mask the subject out. I'm going to speed this part up. Now when we play it back, you can see we mask out the first subject. Now what we want to do is we want to Control D, copy it again. We're going to go to the bottom one. We're going to open up the mask settings and delete the mask off that one. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mask out another subject. I'll speed this part up again. Play it back. We're missing one more guy. So we'll go back here, Control D one more time, go to the bottom one, delete that mask. We're going to mask out the third one. Now that we mask out 3 subjects, it's looking like this. Perfect. Now what we want to do is, for the second mask, we're going to bring that 1 frame in, and the third mask, we're going to bring that 2 frames in. So that gives each clip 1 frame to pop in, and it's looking like this. Perfect. Now what we want to do is, we want to go to Effects and Presets, search up Fill, throw it on the first clip. We're going to change the color to white, and that's going to give that glow type effect. Now we're going to search up Glow, throw on the first clip as well. We're going to bring that glow threshold to about 80, and then we're going to bring the glow radius up to 200. You guys can obviously mess around with it. 250 is looking good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to copy each effect, Control C, and we're going to paste it to the bottom 2 freeze frames. One last thing we're going to do here, guys, we're going to go 1 frame in. We're going to cut that 1 frame, and we're going to remove the effects from the rest of the clip. So we're just going to leave the effects on that 1 frame. We're going to do that to the bottom one as well. So we go in 1, cut, go to the rest of that freeze frame, delete that, and just leave the effects on that 1 frame right here. Same one with this, go in 1, cut, delete the effects from the rest. Effects just on that 1 frame. Now we're gonna do to make it a little bit more saucy, we're gonna go back to Effects and Presets, and we're gonna search up Exposure. And key from the exposure at the beginning, let's bring it up to 10. We're gonna go 5 frames in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring the exposure back down to 0. And that gives the flash effect. One last thing we're gonna do is, guys, we're gonna add a little shake transition from this first clip into the second one. This is some extra sauce, guys. If you got this far in the video, appreciate it. Hit that like button down below if you haven't hit it already. It's free. You're not paying me a single dime. Hit the subscribe button, man. We're dropping fire every single day this month. Let's get it. Now for us to add the shake, guys, we're gonna go 5 frames in. Go to the preview. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna cut that first clip right there. Perfect. I'm gonna go to Effects and Presets. Search up Slider Control. Throw it on top. Then we're gonna go to the transform, go to position, and we're gonna press Alt on PC. If you're on Mac, press Options. Pressing Alt brings up the expression. We're gonna search up wiggle, press enter, put 10, comma. Then I'm gonna grab the pick whip tool. I'm gonna bring that up to the slider. There we go. Now we have it. And now we're gonna go to slider, and we're gonna bring that up to about, let's say 20. The higher you go up, guys, the more the video is gonna shake. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring that scale up because it creates some black borders, as you can see when it's shaking. Bring it up just a tad bit. 104 is good. Now we're gonna go to the second clip we're transitioning into, and we're gonna go 5 frames in like we did for the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gonna cut that up. Gonna throw that slider control back on that clip. Go to transform on the clip, position, Alt for PC, options for Mac. Gonna do the same thing, wiggle, enter, 10, comma, grab the pick whip tool, and we're gonna bring that slider up to 20 again. If you guys want more shake, obviously you could go up in number. I think 20 is nice and subtle. And we're gonna bring that scale up to 103. Now if we play it back, you guys can see there's that little shake as it transitions into the new clip, looking fire. I'm gonna do the same glow transition into this clip right here, guys. I'm gonna speed it up just so you can see the workflow. Now when we play back, guys, this is what we have. Super clean, super fire. That's the end of this tutorial, guys. If you got this far, don't forget to subscribe button down below. Like I said before, we're dropping tutorials every day this month. That's the goal for August. Hit that like button, guys, please. It's really gonna help my channel continue to grow. And everyone that's been supporting love, I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Let's get it. You guys are the GOAT. That being said, comment down below what you want to see next. I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.